Welcome back to. Today we're diving into a review of the Mob Meal Planner app for the year 2026. This is an honest and unbiased assessment to give you a clear understanding of what the app offers. We'll be focusing on its current features and functionality. This app is particularly aimed at families, groups, or anyone looking to simplify their meal planning process. Let's delve into the Mob Meal Planner app and its key features and functionalities. The meal planning aspect offers an easy way to create weekly meal plans, with a variety of recipes available, including customizable options for dietary restrictions and allergies. It even integrates with online grocery stores, allowing seamless ordering and the ability to share meal plans with others. The app also boasts AI-powered meal suggestions for added convenience. In terms of recipe management, you'll find a robust search functionality with filters and both user-submitted recipes and curated content. The app allows for recipe editing and personalization, plus provides nutritional information per serving and possibly video tutorials. The collaboration tools enable shared grocery lists, real-time updates and notifications, and the ability to assign cooking tasks. A voting system is also in place for meal preferences. Finally, grocery list management includes the automatic generation of lists for meal plans, organization by store aisle, integration with loyalty programs, an option to manually add items, and even inventory tracking capabilities. Let's delve into the user interface and user experience of the Mob Meal Planner app. The app boasts excellent ease of navigation with its intuitive layout and clear labeling, ensuring users can quickly find what they need. It's also responsive across various devices like mobile phones and tablets, providing a consistent experience. Robust search and filtering options further enhance navigation. Visually, the app is quite appealing, featuring a modern design and high-quality recipe images that make meal planning more engaging. Users can even customize the app with different themes and font sizes to suit their preferences. Overall, the Mob Meal Planner app provides a smooth and seamless workflow, characterized by minimal loading times. Accessibility is also a priority, with features designed for users with disabilities. Let's delve into the pricing and subscription plans offered by Mob Meal Planner. The app features a free tier that includes a basic set of functionalities, though it does come with limitations such as a cap on the number of recipes you can save and the number of users you can add. For those needing more, there are paid subscription plans available, structured in different tiers, each unlocking additional features. It's worth considering the value for money these plans offer compared to other meal planning apps in the market. Many users may also like that Mob Meal Planner often has a free trial available for their premium plans. Finally, it's important to be aware of any hidden costs. These may come in the form of advertisements within the app or in-app purchases required to unlock certain premium content. Let's move on to the pros of the Mob Meal Planner app. It offers convenient meal planning and grocery shopping, streamlining these tasks for busy individuals and families. The app ultimately saves you time and reduces food waste by helping you plan meals effectively and purchase only what you need. It also facilitates collaboration and communication within groups, making it easier to plan meals with family members or roommates. You'll also find a wide variety of recipes and customization options, ensuring that there's something for everyone. The app also features integration with grocery delivery services, allowing you to order your groceries directly from the app. Finally, the AI-driven features enhance the user experience, providing personalized recommendations and making meal planning even easier. Right, let's delve into the cons of the Mob Meal Planner app. Firstly, there are potential privacy concerns associated with its data collection practices. Users should be mindful of what information they're sharing and how it's being used. Secondly, the subscription costs might be a barrier for some individuals, making the app inaccessible for budget-conscious users. Another drawback is the app's reliance on a stable internet connection, which can be inconvenient in areas with limited or no connectivity. It's also worth noting that the accuracy of nutritional information provided by the app can vary, so it's always a good idea to double-check the data, especially if you have specific dietary requirements. Like any software, there's also the potential for technical glitches or bugs that might disrupt the user experience. Finally, new users might experience a bit of a learning curve as they familiarize themselves with the app's features and functionalities. Let's delve into the critical aspects of security and privacy within the Mob Meal Planner app. It's important to understand the data encryption methods the app employs to safeguard your information. We also need to assess its compliance with vital data privacy regulations, such as GDPR, ensuring your personal data is handled responsibly. Transparency is key, so we'll examine how clearly the app communicates its data collection and usage practices. Users should have control, so we'll explore the options available for you to manage your privacy settings within the app. Finally, a crucial factor is the frequency of security updates and vulnerability patching, ensuring the app remains protected against potential threats. Let's discuss customer support. We'll examine the availability of various support channels, such as email, phone, and chat, to see how accessible help is when you need it. We'll also assess the response time and the overall helpfulness of the support team, because getting quick and accurate assistance is crucial. Finally, we'll look at the availability of documentation, FAQs, and whether there are community forums or support groups that can provide additional assistance and a sense of community. Thanks for watching. See you next time on. So, in conclusion, let's summarize the overall assessment of the Mob Meal Planner app. We've looked at a variety of features and experiences, and now it's time to wrap it all up. The key strengths really lie in its intuitive interface and comprehensive database of recipes, while the weaknesses include the occasional bug and the limitations of the free version. Therefore, our final recommendation is that this app is particularly well suited for individuals or families looking for inspiration and organization in their meal planning. However, it may not be the best fit for those requiring highly specialized dietary options without the paid upgrades. As a final note, we suggest giving the free trial a shot to see if it meshes with your specific needs, or alternatively exploring other meal planning apps to find the perfect fit for you.